No matter the moment, the cat stays loyal by Dad's side, even when he needs some quiet time.
Are you petting Frank? That's a good girl.
A few moments later.
All it took was a few head nods.
好好看啊！
And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.
Cat! No! We gotta go the other way. We gotta go the other way.
要是你们会游泳就好了。要是你们会游泳就好了。
Oh, hello. Oh, my little loves. Goodness.
I can't hold the cat.
Not just a cat anymore, now an exclusive model for Dad's perfect photos.
Mom, what kind of weird creature did you bring home?
How am I supposed to get up? I'm never getting a dog again. Cats for life.
Вот это была самой красивой.
Setting up a cozy spot on the sofa for the cat. Clearly, we know who the real cat lover is now.
The little girl has gained... That tiny paw holds so much love for her sibling.
It seems like every kiss is his way of showing endless love for the kitty. This birthday couldn't get any better with this four-legged gift, love at first sight. He always said he didn't like cats, but now he can't spend a moment without the cat by his side. The kitten wasn't just a gift, but a boundless source of happiness for the man. No matter how rushed, the cat always gets priority with a few cuddles before heading out. From not wanting a cat, now the cat has become his shadow, sticking by Dad's side all day long.
He can sleep with you tonight.
The cat not only gets its fur meticulously groomed, but also receives countless loving kisses.
Digest. Well, okay, I give you a few more pieces. Make sure you don't vomit. Vomit
Thought the girlfriend was number one? Turns out this four-legged third wheel is
To go outside, you have to wave. You have to wave.
allows for Asian dad to completely surrender. The cat sits firmly as if declaring, "This is my spot, and now he's mine too."
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Why not? You don't get any credit. Oh, please.
He's a good boy. Where's the kitty? There's the kitty.
Oh no! Oh, there she is.
要是你们会游泳就好了。要是你们会游泳就好了。
He once said he didn't want a cat, but now he's playing like it's his best friend.
Your baby will come. Yes, thank you. Hi. Raven.
The little girl has gained... Okay. The cat's attitude. Do whatever you want as long as I'm with you. This is the first symptom of baby addiction.
I'm afraid to get up.
Seems like the cat's bed has become completely useless now.
He didn't want a cat at first, but now his feet have become the favorite seat for these two little princes.
It just hugged all my feet. Just.
Dad hates cats, so I got a kitten.
It's always like this with you.
And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.
Come on, buddy. Being loved this much means you should return the affection. Siblings getting along so well shows how happy their family must be. This cat knew how to be gentle with the baby right from the first met.
Shot. What is straight?
From not wanting a cat, now the cat has become his shadow, sticking by Dad's side all day long.
And the best part of this plan is, no one can stop me.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
Taking care of the cat like this, who would believe he didn't like cats before? That look says it all. She may have brought me home, but now he's mine.
Are you taking
法。对，c'est bon。
带猫抓乖呀！
Oh dear, with a younger brother like this, she'll never have a dull day.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Huh? She brought the cat home for her boyfriend, but little did she know she'd be replaced by the cat. Work is already stressful, but with the cat on his lap, he seems to have found extra motivation.
They're not staying here. They're not staying here. No way in hell are they staying here. The three amigos.
Okay.
Chelsea, oh my god. You guys, look at his little bitchiest cheeks.
Once he didn't want a cat, but now they've become inseparable.
Yo guys, it's just a baby, not some kind of space creature. Seems like the cat's bed has become completely useless now.
Not just a cat anymore, now an exclusive model for Dad's perfect photos. The conversation between Dad and the cat doesn't need words, just looks and love.
He can sleep with you tonight.
All it took was a few head
有人。
That tiny paw holds so much love for her sibling. Oh dear, with a younger brother like this, she'll never have a dull day.
The cat stays close, as if knowing time is running out and wanting to share every remaining moment.
Chelsea, oh my god. You got, look at his little pinching his cheeks.
Cat is spelling bee.
This cat's not letting me Facebook. Here. No, cat. You gotta stop it. I want to watch.
Who would have thought the man who didn't like cats is now carefully preparing a special pillow just for the cat?
What are you doing, cricket? She's laying on your back with your little paws. 毛抓好乖呀！
This birthday couldn't get any better with this four-legged gift, love at first sight. A peaceful moment where both man and cat find comfort in each other. He once said he didn't want a cat, but now he's playing like it's his best friend.
Today. What's this? You're starving? You haven't eaten in a week? Oh, babies, I think that's an exaggeration.
He's a good boy. Where's the kitty? There's the kitty.
Come on, that doesn't feel good. Come on, buddy. Come on. What do you mean, no? You can't just. Come on. Let's go.
Yeah, I hear you. I'm hungry too. Yeah, what do you want? Tuna sandwich or some shit? Okay.
The conversation between Dad and the cat doesn't need words, just looks and love.
You're such a good cat, Frank.
Don't make that face. Having another caretaker should make you happy. Come on, buddy. Being loved this much means you should return the affection.
Love you, John Cricket. Just laying on your back with your little paws.
Setting up a cozy spot on the sofa for the cat. Clearly, we know who the real cat lover is now.
Goed zo. Doe de deur ook weer dicht. Goed zo.
Who said he never wants a cat part 2.
Ámbar, ahí está la hermanita.
No saca la uña, la esconde.
Ámbar, ahí está la hermanita.
This is the first symptom of baby addiction.
I'm afraid to get up.
Yeah, your baby will come. Yeah, thank you. Hi.
Yo guys, it's just a baby, not some kind of space creature.
A peaceful moment where both man and cat find comfort in each other.
Siblings getting along so well shows how happy their family must be.